Take a ride in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, 8 speakers, passenger airbag, fog lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.